and welcome back to my channel. When I uploaded my Skims haul, I got so many recommendations or requests to do something similar but with lounge underwear. So I was like, why the hell not? So I got a bunch of lounge pieces. I got some trackies, I got some t-shirt bras, I got some swimmers, I got some undies. What else did I get? Like a lingerie type lacy set. And yeah, I thought I would jump on here and review lounge underwear's clothes for you guys. So they have actually given me a discount code, so I'll leave that all in the description box down below. Let's just get straight into the haul. Okay, so the first two pieces I picked up, not gonna lie, ever since getting that Skims bra, I've been kind of into it lately. I don't know why, or I've just had an epiphany. I'm like, oh, actually bras are comfortable. I've probably just had, like, all the bras that I've had pre-breast surgery have been so uncomfortable, but I haven't really tried a proper bra that fits me post-surgery, so that's why I don't really wear them. I picked up this t-shirt bra set. So the size I got in the bras are 32E. I just wanted to make sure that the cup size was big enough, so I just got an E, and I'm so glad I did. I wouldn't say it's really an E cup. When I picture an E cup, I thought it would be like massive, like covering my whole boob, but maybe that's just the style of bra that they designed. But it does still hold everything in place, and it's really supportive. It's not tight at the back. Like, it is comfortable, it is firm, but it's not like restricting or giving me an overhang here on the side. It's like the perfect fit. So that's probably why I'll get a 32 in the other bra that I got, the Skims one. 32 fits me absolutely perfectly around the waist. I'm not sure if that's equivalent to an 8 or a 10. I might research that and leave it on the screen for you guys, but 32E I got in this bra. It has adjustable straps. It is called the t-shirt bra. I just left all the tags on for reference. But yeah, I love it. I love the lounge logo around the rims. Love, love, love. If you guys watch my stories all the time, you guys know that I always wear their lounge crop tops. They come in a set with the leggings, but I wear them to bed because they are so comfortable. I have them in like 3 different colors, and I've had them for like a year now, and they're still going strong. But yeah, I actually really do like the shape of this bra. It gives me enough support. It still looks sexy. This bra would be perfect for just underneath the t-shirts, just like it says, t-shirt bra. Then I also got the matching undies. So as I've said in the past, when it comes to buying underwear, I will buy them in a size bigger than what I normally am. I'm usually a size 8 to 10 in normal clothes, but I like to go medium or even sometimes large in undies and swimwear. I remember I made an order like a year ago to get some undies, and I did get a medium. Although I was bigger, they were just super tight for a medium. So then this time around, I decided to get a large, and I'm so glad I did, because it does not dig in at all. It just sits on my body like amazingly. So this is what it looks like. I love that it's high-waisted. I love the band up here. I probably could fit into a medium, but I don't think it would be as a relaxed fit as this. It's just a thong at the back, but if I show you guys, YouTube will probably delete my video because apparently that's nudity. Yeah, it's just a thong at the back, but yeah, this is so comfortable. All right, let's try on the trackies. I actually have a pair of these in pink and nude. I didn't have the gray, so I'm gonna put it on. I got a size medium in this one. I was looking for my pink trackies the other day, literally the other day, and I messaged mum because she sometimes comes over and like just cleans and what did she do? She stole my trackies, and because they were too long for her because she's short, she went to an alterations place and hemmed them up, and she goes, oh yeah, I took them. I haven't really seen you wear them in a while, so I just stole them because I really like them, and I also got them hemmed up. I was like, sweet. One of my favorite pair of trackies, no freaking worries. Luckily, I love her, so she can have them, but I love these trackies so much. I think I've got a pair in a large as well. So if you're wanting more of a relaxed fit trackie, not as tight fitted like this, then I would go up a size. But I personally like the tighter sort of look. I just find it more flattering on me. And these are the type of trackies I would wear like to the movies or at the house. Like it's definitely too cute to be wearing inside the house. So once again, a medium. I love how this strap matches the strap at the back of the bras and the crop tops. All right, I've got a black bra like this, so I'll put it on and show you guys what that one looks like. So once again, I did get these in a size 32E. I thought I was always a double D, but I guess it just depends on the brand of the bra, but in lounge, I am an E, apparently. So yeah, also has that strap design. Oh, I just love how comfortable they are. They're kind of like a ribbed cotton sort of feeling, but I don't know, so most of the time I've shopped for t-shirt bras, like they've just been so uncomfortable. They cut in, but then again, I've probably just gotten the wrong size. I think when it comes to buying bras, if you can't feel them, that's when you know you've got a good bra. I'll show you guys the matching undies as well. Okay, these are the exact same as the white ones. Once again, I got a size large. Love, 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 love them so much. So comfy. But yeah, they're literally the exact same design as the white ones. Wow. Okay, so I thought those t-shirt bras are comfortable. This is the Magic bra. I don't know what size it is according to the tag, but I'll leave it on the screen anyways. Whoa. This is super comfortable. It doesn't have an underwire. Maybe that's why it's called the Magic bra. That one did have an underwire, the t-shirt ones, but holy shit, I can't even feel this. Exactly the right size for me. This is amazing. Really nice fit as well. I don't have any overhang of boob, like no boobs coming on the side, hanging out. It's not bulging out the front. Bye. I love the straps as well. Okay, I think this is my favorite bra so far. Okay, so these do also come with matching bottoms. Personally, when it comes to underwear, the more material at the front, the better. I don't like thongs that are like super thin. Like I like that extra material to, you know, cover my front area. I really like the look of these online and I just wanted to try them. And I was like, maybe if I do get a large, it will give me extra material. Like I'm just not that type to go for the stringy actual thong bikinis. I did get this style. As I said, I wouldn't normally go for something with like really thin straps, but I think by getting the large, it actually looks okay and it literally just goes straight into a G-banger. Yeah, it's like a typical thong, but I do like how it is not, like I would hate these if they went like just above my vag. Like I would absolutely hate them. I need some sort of height in undies just because I like to, you know, suck everything in that's going on down there, you know? But yeah, I do actually really like the cut of these. Like I said before, I was a bit like, ooh, should I get them? But now that they're on, I think they are really sexy and they are comfortable. And I'm glad I got a large. I feel like if I got a medium, this would just be like this. And that wouldn't have been a vibe. I am dead. Silk Balcony. They have these in red, a gorgeous blue, this color, and a black. And I wish I got all of them. Okay, you can see my nips, but let's be real. This is something sexy that you'd wear to bed, so it's probably gonna come off anyways. Let's be real. I personally probably wouldn't wear something like this under like a t-shirt or under an outfit. I feel like this is more for lingerie purposes, going to bed, looking and feeling good. So yeah, you can see my nipples through. It's not too obvious. It is quite subtle. I probably should have got an E. I did get a double D in this. 32 double D I got in this. I wish I did get a E, but next time when I go and order the other colors, because I'm obsessed, I will definitely get an E cup. But I love it so much. I love khaki and I don't know, it just looks really nice on my chest. But the best thing about this set is the undies. I am obsessed. Look how cute they are. I love the extra material here. I love that it's high-waisted, and I will definitely be getting these undies in all of the colors because they are just amazing. Again, it goes into a thong, but not as thongy. It's kind of like, actually, yeah, it does go into a thong. There's just more material up the top, so that's probably why. But, oh my God, these undies though. I'm dead. I probably could fit a medium, but as I said, I love the comfort of undies. I don't like them to be restrictive. So yeah, I do like the large fit in the undies. I have a couple more undies, and then I've got a swimwear bikini to try on, and I'm super excited to try that on. Oh my God, this is so cute. Okay, so I ended up getting a large in this set. It fits me really well. It's got adjustable straps, so if you need them to be tighter, you can, but it just looks like that at the back. Just real simple, easy to put on. I love the whole mesh underboob section here. I think it's really cute, but this is so comfortable. I'm glad I got the large. I think the medium wouldn't have fit my chest. Yeah, it's actually really nice. Love the bottoms as well. I don't usually like this sort of type of bottom, but it's big enough for it to comfortably fit. The back isn't actually as cheeky, but what you could do is you could wear these in reverse. So you could wear the back at the front and then the front at the back. I'll actually might show you guys. There is a logo at the very back, so that might look a bit weird on the front, but I'll show you guys how to transform your bikini bottoms because it is the best hack I've ever tried. Okay, so the tag's gonna have to be cut off here, but see how much more material I have? And then the back is way more cheeky because the front is now at the back. So that is literally the biggest hack. I do it all the time with my bikinis. I always flip them around. But if you're wanting more of a high-waisted, more material look, just wear them the other way around. I've got a couple undies that I'm gonna try on as well. I think they may be a little bit big. I did get a large and everything, but I think when it comes to seamless, I think I may have effed up the size. So I'll try them on anyways and show you guys the other undies that I got. But this is what they are. See how they're like gaping here at the front? But this is the style. I always wear this sort of style undies. I love the seamless, especially under gym tights or tight skirts so you don't see any lines. But yeah, if this was just a little bit tighter, I think I might even be able to fit into a small. That's how gapey this is. But I just thought I'd show you guys against my body for size reference. These are a large, but I feel like they're about to fall down any second. Okay, this honestly looks like I am naked, but I'm not. These are a different style actually. So these ones are all lacy. Like this is all lace. See-through, I mean, if you didn't tame you would be able to see through it, if you know what I mean. This is a large. It's still pretty loose, not as loose as the seamless ones, but I would still wear this size in this style of undies. These ones are called, well, these ones just say bottoms, but I'll leave everything in the description box down below. But I probably will order a medium in these as well, just because. Yeah, so that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this haul and found it helpful. If you want me to review any other brands, then let me know in the comments down below. And if you have any questions about anything, leave them in the comments below. I'll try and get back to as many people as I can. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget, all discount codes and links will be down below, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. Yes, I did.